Emma on the track, boys.
Hey there guys, welcome to episode 3 in our R700 project series, which is obviously around our Golf R, which we're taking from stock to 700 horsepower in 3 years. So episode 3, what that entails is basically the Sprintbooster pedal box, which some of you may or may not have heard about or seen in some of our videos. There are some other videos on our YouTube channel around the Sprintbooster pedal box, and we think they are the best thing since sliced bread. We are massive believers in them, and we have amazing feedback from a lot of our customers about how amazing the Sprintbooster pedal boxes are. So if you don't know what they are, it's a little device which basically plugs into the rear of your accelerator pedal. So up there somewhere we've already installed it. It's a tiny little resistor effectively which plugs into the pedal box, and then we wire a little device where you can control it from off your dashboard, and you will see that obviously placed just here, so it's a bit out of the way, but it's literally at a touch of a button it will completely transform your car. Now whether you've got a diesel, a petrol, an automatic, a manual, it doesn't matter. Whether it's remapped or stock form or stage 2, stage 3, it doesn't matter. This little device will go on any car with the fly-by-wire throttle, so that's pretty much any car after 1998. And why are they so amazing, and what do they do? So what it does is it adjusts the throttle response effectively. So by having it in a certain setting which is more aggressive, you will basically lose the kick down time that you usually get with any sort of throttle. So it basically takes out the throttle being pushed all the way down to the floor, so as soon as you touch that throttle you'll have instant acceleration. So it completely changes the drivability of the car. You've got 36 different settings to play around with on the device, which you control from here. You've got sport mode and race mode as well, so you can completely set it up to how you want to use it. If you're bimbling around town, you might want it in sport setting 5 for instance, and that will give you increased sort of throttle response but not that aggressively. However, if you're at a race or traffic lights and you want to show off to your mates a little bit, you might want to put that in race mode number 9. And if you know about race mode 9, then you know. That is the most aggressive, it's the most responsive. And today what we're trying to do is, by using the Draggy app, we have found out that it shaves 1/10 of a second off our launch control on the Golf R by having a Sprintbooster fitted. And the Draggy stats will be popped up on the screen now, Phil. And so I'll go back to that bit. So yeah, so we found out that the Sprintbooster improves the 0 to 60 times as well. It doesn't just improve 0 to 60, it increases the throttle all the way through the rev range. So if you're cruising along at 30-40 mile an hour and you want to get past something, or you want to pull out of a junction that you're approaching, it's used for that as well, and it's a brilliant little device. So it comes with a few little great features as well that are add-ons to it. So it comes with something called the pedal lock feature. So what that means is you can program this with a little pin to lock the throttle. So if you wanted to go out in the morning to your car, start it up, get the heaters on whilst it's cold, go back inside for a cuppa, and somebody tries to steal your car, they get in it, they would press that right down to the bottom or try and drive away, and it'll be completely dead. The engine will still be running, but they won't be able to do anything with the throttle at all. So that's a great little security feature that it comes with as well. And it also comes with a valet mode. So if you take your nice Golf R to Volkswagen and you don't want the young lads and the apprentices there to be tearing it around the courtyard and stuff, you can set this into a valet mode. Again, from a pin, you set it at say 10% throttle, and it means that they only have 10% throttle. They can't use the full 100% of the throttle. So they can only go say up to 30 mile an hour in it. So that's a great extra feature as well if you've got a nice car and you want to get one fitted to it. So that's the Sprintbooster pedal box, guys. We are massive believers in them. We do fitting at our Nottingham and Wolverhampton units. We absolutely love them. We can't rave about them enough. And in the bio is a link to buy them from our store. We do worldwide shipping as well. So simply buy it, and the shipping will be calculated in the checkout. But if you want one as well, drop us a message, drop us a call, drop us an email, however you want to get in contact, and we'll get one sorted for you. Very easy to fit, less than 10 minutes, minimal tools used, and they're an awesome bit of kit. So thanks ever so much for watching the episode 3, guys. We hope you've enjoyed it. We have managed to get our 0 to 60 down even further, and we're now at 4 seconds 0 to 60. So that's from 4.66 seconds stock down to 4 seconds from just doing a stage 1 remap, the DSG box and a sprint booster. So we've saved over half a second by doing that. I think that's pretty impressive for around 300, 400 pounds worth of work. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you for episode 4, which will include some of our first hardware modifications, which will be dropping hopefully next week at some point. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we're going to go and do some more 0 to 60 times now. Bye.